I'm Dr. Amy Vanderbilt, and this Trend POV Daily Advantage is brought to you by none other than, of course, Strategic Vanguard 2010. The registration is now open for this very unique and highly innovative executive workshop coming in September. Go to strategicvanguard.com for more information and to secure your seat in the focus area of your choice. All this week, we're giving the Self-Tending Mushroom Award to gullible employers worldwide for being so trusting of everything they see on resumes, and they always end up hiring the wrong candidate. We're going to help you avoid that this week by taking a look at what you can do to make sure that your star players are verified before they come on board. Today's tip: look for candidates with verifiable credentials from reputable outlets. Sounds pretty obvious and maybe something we shouldn't have to say, but it would appear that we do, because many employers tend to avoid the homework that's required to make this happen. First, you have to understand the skills that you need, and then you need to seek proof of their reputable nature. That means questioning, where did these credentials come from? Who was the teacher? How did the student do? And what were the standards by which they were measured? Doing your homework is always the best way to make sure that those candidates are absolutely verified. Sounds like it'll take a lot of time, doesn't it? So in the next couple of days, we'll be talking about how to make that take less time and actually save your process quite a bit of time and money as you go along. Thanks for joining us. Keep it right here all week for more Daily Advantage at trendpov.com.